Hi guys, how you doing? So today we're going to be taking a look at the Rode NT USB mic. Guys, so I'm actually in the market for a new microphone. I've been using the Trust Emita for the last 2-3 months and I've been very happy with it. Now it's not something which I use on a regular basis, to be honest. I do the odd voiceover which I need it, otherwise I'll use the Lavia mic when I'm talking to the camera, and that's done me a sterling job. So this is the Lavia Go from Rode. Fantastic little microphone. I've been very happy with it. So when I went into my local CEX, which is a second-hand electronics store, I saw the microphone and I thought that's probably something I need to get. Now whilst the Trust microphone has done a decent job and I've been very happy with it, I just thought that the Rode's going to be better quality, and I really like the look of it. It was just something that was kind of, it was slim, it was just attractive, and it's going to look nice on my desk. So what we're going to do today is we're going to unbox it, we're going to set it up, and then we're going to do some test recordings, and then you can see for yourself or hear for yourself which one's better. So let's do it. Right, so we're going to unbox it now. Because this is a second-hand unit, your experience may vary slightly. This is not maybe 100% the original packaging, so I take it with a pinch of salt. So inside, this is where the microphone is. This is the daddy. This is where all the magic happens. So yeah, so here we've got the dials for whether or not we want the microphone or the monitor. We've got the headphones there. It's all good. They do suggest in the manual to kind of keep it to a neutral position. This is where you speak into. The gold dot symbolises that. And yeah, that's all good. This is the actual stand itself. So we'll be using that in a second. And the rest of it is a manual. There's about half a dozen pages in English, and the rest is every other language in the world. Well, not quite, but you know, so you should be catered for. We have the pop filter, and this looks very nice. A USB cable. This isn't the original. The one which I got with it was a bit flaky. It was a third-party one, so I've got another one, and then we have this attaches it to a mic stand, and then this is used in some way, I don't know, but it's not actually something which I'm going to be using or need to know, to be honest. And then to cap it off, you get a nice little accessories bag. It's good. I love Rode. It's probably true, actually. So let's go set this bad boy up. Okay, so let's set this up. Just screw this like a few thousand times and it will get tight. So when you set it up, obviously remember, this is where the pop filter, you've got the gold dot there. That's fine. That's on fairly secure. And you take this. And there we have it. There's our Rode mic. Don't forget to plug it in though. So on the other side, we'll just stick this in, like so. And then the other end goes into your computer. Guys, now we're going to do some sound recordings. I'm currently speaking on the Rode mic. I'm then going to be speaking on the Trust, so I'm just going to alternate about 10 sentences each. Hopefully you can hear a difference, and I'm going to crack on. A king ruled the state in the early days. A king ruled the state in the early days. The ship was torn apart on the sharp reef. The ship was torn apart on the sharp reef. Sickness kept him home the third week. Sickness kept him home the third week. The wide road shimmered in the hot sun. The wide road shimmered in the hot sun. The lazy cow lay in the cool grass. The lazy cow lay in the cool grass. Lift the square stone over the fence. Lift the square stone over the fence. The rope will bind the 7 books at once. The rope will bind the 7 books at once. Hop over the fence and plunge in. Hop over the fence and plunge in. The friendly gang left the drugstore. The friendly gang left the drugstore. Guys, so what did you think of the audio quality then? For me, there wasn't a lot of difference in it, but you know, yeah, the Rode was slightly better. Now, I'm no expert, and you know, I don't claim to be, but ease of use was better with the Trust out of the box. It was a slightly louder microphone. I had to do some adjustment for the Rode just to kind of like normalise the levels. And for me, that's a bit of a pain really. It's not something I want to go through. I'm not an audiophile. I just want it to sound all right. And the Rode is not as good as the lavalier mic, which I've been using. So I'm a little bit disappointed, if I'm honest. What I will be doing, I think, is having another look around, see if there's anything that's a more recent offering from maybe Elgato. They've got some new devices out. So, but yeah, so it's not going to replace my Trust, to be honest. The Rode, I'm gonna keep on looking. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.